All right, you guys, this week our job is to write our draft for our research report on the planet that we chose. Now, last week we went through and did some research. We chose our planet, and you were able to tell me which planet you wanted to write about. Now, I'm going to walk you through this because this gets a little tricky. Okay, so we are going to I'm just going to walk you through this for now. Hello, Big S, because that's my name. I'm going to be part of the Badgers today. Um, Ms. Dontel wants to show you her writing sample. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that this is just her sample essay about Earth. You can go back and read it if you feel like it. If not, that's okay. That's just an example that she wrote. Okay, you can go back if you remember what planet you chose. That is great. If not, you can choose another one. You can try and do the research again. I made sure to include the links. This is the video of planets that Miss Dontel read. And then this is the National Geographic one. So you don't have to really click an answer, but if you click on the link, it'll take you to the website. So definitely use this as your go-to for resources. Now, Miss Dontel wanted to include this picture because she said dogs make her happy. And I know writing is such a task for some of you guys. I know I personally do not like writing a whole bunch, so this picture definitely made me feel good um, for sure. So this is what our writing sample is going to look like. Now, this one. So I went in as Renaya to give an example of how we are going to do this. So this is an all week task. You do not, repeat, you do not have to write this all in one day. This is a process. What I'm hoping for is by the end of this week, we will have a draft that we can edit for next week. So I logged in as Renaya so I could figure out how to make sure you guys have access to this. So I'm pretending to be Renaya. I went into my assignments and this is what it's going to look like. Now let's go back one step. So when I'm in Miss Dontel's class, I go to classwork. Then I go to writing assignments, and this should already be in there. You are going to view assignment. So this is what it should look like. When you go in, you can click on the boxes to type your answers, to type your beginning paragraph. Now there is a paragraph starter here that you can easily go file or edit, copy, double click, paste, and boom, you have your introduction paragraph. It says there are so many planets in our solar system, but they are all so different. Get ready to learn more about some awesome facts about whatever your planet is. About, oh, that's a really long line. Okay, so that is your introduction box. It says write 2 to 3 sentences. This paragraph starter right here is already 2 sentences. You just have to type in your planet. You've got your introduction done. You have already told me some facts about your planet. That was last week on the last assignment, Thursday or Friday. You went through on the websites. But again, if you need the websites to remember where you got the information from, you can go back to that. When you are done, you close it out and hit turn in. You are not going to be completely done, and that is okay. But here's the deal. Every day, you are going to have to go in, find the writing assignment again. Now, if you click on it like that, it's only going to be view only. We don't want that. What we want is for you to view assignment and hit this unsubmit button. Unsubmit, because then you can go back in and edit it, but it'll keep the changes that you make each day. It'll keep your work updated. So if I say, okay, now I want to go in and work on my first fact. I know that for her, Venus, she chose Venus. So Venus's first fact is that it is the hottest planet. Then I'm going to go in and say the website Fact Monster told me that Venus is the hottest planet. The temperatures range from 53 degrees to 836 degrees. This is where you're going to give your whole fact. You're going to give more information about it. You're going to say, wow, this is an amazing fact. This is incredible. This is why I chose this planet. Then again, you go in and you hit turn in. Every day you're going to have to do this when you're working on this draft. Then you go back and you hit unsubmit. What's the button? Unsubmit. You either turn it in or you unsubmit it. Just make sure at the end of the week you hit that submit button. If you have any questions, please put a comment down here. Help. I will hop on. I will jump on a phone call with you. I will do a Zoom call with you to help you get this started. Okay? Let me know. I can't wait to see when you guys start writing.